Come on, come. $6,000. Only $6,000. I really like the purple color. Beautiful SUV. Quick walkway. Small money. Made in 2019. Let's check around this car. Come on. Wow, check the letter. Very new. 4 LED and here LED. Here is 4-wheel camera. Here is a back camera. Many function and automatic, very nice. Automatic transmission and big sunroof. Wow, very big spacious and very comfortable sofa. Air condition is very cool. Very interesting. Small money you can get this car. The taillight is very special. The auto taillight, VV7 and auto seat. Wow, very big spacious. You can put anything inside. The trunk is very tidy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very sport, very powerful. My boss, if you're interested in this small SUV, small money, please contact me, call me and message me. Let's also make the money together. We win together.